Hey everyone, how it's going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a watermark on Capcut PC. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. All right, I have already imported the video that we're going to use in this tutorial, as well as the logo. But in this video, I'm going to show you two methods for adding a watermark into the video. Second will be with using text. So let's add the video to the timeline and also add the watermark and overlay on the video. Then select the watermark, increase the duration and adjust the size and position. Now go to the right, scroll a bit, click right here on this little arrow, and you increase or decrease the opacity of the watermark. Now let's add the text watermark. Go to the text section, drag the text onto the video, match the duration of the video, change the default text, change the font, choose what you like, adjust the size. Then again, scroll a bit to lower the opacity. And here we go, you have a watermark on the video. That's how you can add a watermark on a Capcut PC. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.